Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's wonderful shloka from Grantharaj Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 2, Shloka number 28 and 29. Vasudeva para Veda, Vasudeva para Veda, Vasudeva para Makha, Vasudeva para Makha, Vasudeva para Yoga, Vasudeva para Yoga, Vasudeva para Kriya, Vasudeva para Kriya, Vasudeva param jnanam, Vasudeva param jnanam, Vasudeva param tapaha, Vasudeva param tapaha, Vasudeva paro dharmo, Vasudeva paro dharmo, Vasudeva paragatihi, Vasudeva paragatihi, Vasudeva paragatihi, Vasudeva paraveda, Vasudeva paramakha, Vasudeva parayoga, Vasudeva parakriya, Vasudeva param jnanam, Vasudeva param tapaha, Vasudeva paro dharmo, Vasudeva paragati, Vasudeva paragati. In the revealed scriptures, the ultimate object of knowledge is Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The purpose of performing sacrifice is to please Him. Yoga is to realizing Him. All fruitive activities are ultimately rewarded by Him only. He is supreme knowledge, and all severe austerities are performed to know Him. Religion, dharma, is rendering loving service unto Him. He is the supreme goal of life. Lord Shri Krishna is the supreme goal of life. Vasudeva para Veda, Vasudeva para Makha, Vasudeva para Yoga, Vasudeva para Kriya, Vasudeva param jnanam, Vasudeva param tapaha, Vasudeva paro dharmo, Vasudeva paragati, Vasudeva paragati, Vasudeva paragati. Shri Krishna is the supreme goal of life.
Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.